Hey you guys, so I'm at Goodwill and my other half had a great idea to get some cool bowls or dishes to put outside on our table for the birds because we just love all the birds that come in our backyard. So look what I found. This is going to be perfect. Stay tuned. So the birdseed has arrived from Amazon. London and I are going to open it up and fill up the platter and take it outside to the birds. So in just a moment, I'll take you outside. All right, here's the platter. Let's take it outside. All right, guys, hold on. I'm gonna place this on the table. Even though I'd like to kind of push it towards the middle, I'm gonna leave it where it's at. And the birds are already looking down at it, curious, so I'll go ahead and go inside and hopefully they will come down and start picking through it.